And today we are doing a makeup tutorial. So let's get into that video. Okay, so I have this. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to need is foundation. The second thing is blush, and so I have this thing of blush, and I also have this thing of blush. So use this thing, and the makeup artist for the movie. How to get out? So we have this eyeshadow, something for your eyebrows, top coat for your eyebrows, lipstick, blush, pencil brushes. Yeah. So let's see. What one should I do? I think I just decided with the light pink. Like it's kind of a little light pink. So here is a trick. So you're gonna need, if you want to do it professionally, you need something like this. No, I'm not gonna put it on yet. Okay. Anyway, so then you're gonna take it and put it where your blush is going to be, your cheekbones. And then you're going to take your color and put it. Oh my, that trick didn't work. Oops. So I learned the actual trick now. It's you just got to pat it. See, it looks much better from that to that. Still looks a little rosy, but oh well. So the next thing, let's do eyeshadow. Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna need to do is take your brush, and then you're gonna want like a pale color like this. So I'm gonna choose this one. Then you're gonna put it here. To show. Okay. So once you're finished with that, you can do a more bright color or a more colorful color or stuff like that. And so I'm gonna just go with a very nice. I'm gonna pick this one because I mean it doesn't look. It's not very it's a little sparkly, but not that bad. And then you're gonna put it just above. Okay, so once you're finished with that, I forgot that you have to do the overcoat. So, I'm gonna just do a little bit of this grayish. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of this one. Oops. This one right here. Just a little gray. So I'm gonna do that one. Okay, so now that I'm done with that, we're gonna do the mascara. I have two types of mascara. This one is a very black. Very, very black. This one is a mild black with a different kind of brush. Okay, so just wiping around the spots in my eyes, I finished the mascara. And so now we can do lipstick. Okay, so I put a little bit of this pink eyeshadow on. It's like Okay, so I decided that I am going to do the kind of reddish brown sort of thing. So okay, now I'm gonna show you my final look. Ready? I don't think. What up now? If you want to see my final look, and I did some things after I quit videoing, then you need to subscribe to these 3 channels. Number 1, Elin Explores. She has a purple profile and no spaces. She also did a makeup tutorial, and it was really actually good. And so make sure you subscribe to that channel. Second is Zood Perfect. He's going to be posting some Fortnite videos and some airplane videos soon, like how to make airplanes. And the last one is Da Bros. They did a blindfolding drawing challenge, and it was actually really good. Subscribe to those channels, and you might just get to see me. Bye. Oh wait, I forgot to say subscribe to my channel.